Samsung's Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the most ambitious camera and design upgrades in the Ultra lineage, and the latest supply chain moves all but confirm it. Scheduled to launch in the first quarter of next year, the S26 Ultra will continue with a 50MP 5x folded, periscope style zoom camera while bringing a notable change behind the scenes. MC Next has reportedly been selected as a new supplier for the folded zoom module. According to industry sources, MC Next will join Samsung Electromechanics and Sunny Optical, forming a three-supplier structure for the S26 Ultra's folded zoom camera. Up to the S25 Ultra, Samsung Electromechanics and Sunny Optical handled the 50MP 5X module first introduced with the S24 Ultra. Moving forward, MC Next is set to take over part of the volume previously handled by Sunny Optical. Multiple insiders have pointed to persistent quality issues around folded zoom units over the past 2 years, and adding MC Next is widely seen as a move to stabilize supply and maintain premium image performance. Mic. Next has declined to comment on customer specifics, but has explained the folded zoom concept. This periscope-style system refracts light through prisms to extend focal length, delivering genuine optical zoom without a massive camera bump. It's more complex than a standard camera module, difficult to manufacture, and commands a higher unit cost, precisely why it's considered a high-value added component. As MC Next pursues more premium camera orders, its arrival in the S26 Ultra supply chain marks a significant expansion into flagship territory beyond the folded zoom unit. The Galaxy S26 Ultra's telephoto stack also includes a 10MP 3x zoom camera. For the S26 Ultra, that 3x module is reportedly supplied by PowerLogix and Patron. Previously, MC Next and Patron supplied the 3x zoom for S24 and S25 Ultra, while PowerLogix focused on the regular and Plus models. With MC Next moving deeper into the folded zoom pipeline, PowerLogix is expected to step in for the Ultra's 3x telephoto. This year, the rest of the camera array for the S26 Ultra rounds out an uncompromising flagship setup. Expect a 200MP main camera supplied by Samsung Electromechanics and Samsung Electronics, a 50MP ultra-wide camera sourced from Sunny Optical and Patron, and a 12MP front-facing camera produced by Namuga and MC Next. This balanced mix taps multiple top-tier vendors while diversifying risk and ensuring high volume availability. The broader S26 family is also taking shape. Galaxy S26 Pro, base model, 50MP primary, 12MP ultra-wide, 10MP 3x telephoto, and 12MP front camera mirroring its predecessor's formula for a well-rounded experience. Galaxy S26 Edge Slim variant, 200MP rear wide-angle camera, 50MP ultra-wide, and a 12MP front camera bringing headline-worthy resolution to a sleeker form factor. Supplier distribution across the S26 series appears well-balanced among Samsung Electromechanics, PowerLogix, and Camzys, among others. Partners are expected to begin camera module production in November, with Samsung likely to kick off mass manufacturing of early smartphone batches by the end of the year. Historically, the Galaxy S series ships more than 35 million units annually, and the Ultra variant typically accounts for around half of those sales, underscoring how crucial these camera decisions are to Samsung's flagship strategy. Now, let's talk design. A recent set of leaked renders shared by Android headlines may be our best look yet at the Galaxy S26 Ultra from multiple angles. The phone pictured in black reveals two clear changes compared to the S25 Ultra. First, the corners look noticeably curvier, lending a softer, more ergonomic silhouette while staying true to the Ultra's signature slate-like aesthetic. Second, while there are still 4 lenses positioned in similar locations on the back, 3 of them now sit inside a unified camera block rather than protruding individually from the chassis. It's a cleaner, more cohesive visual identity. dimensions also appear refined. Reports suggest the S26 Ultra could be thinner around 7.9 millimeters versus the S25 Ultra's 8.2 millimeters, while the new camera island is said to protrude approximately 4.5 millimeters. The overall design language feels familiar but more polished, giving the S26 Ultra a distinct look without abandoning the minimal premium feel that defines the Ultra line. Under the hood, Samsung is expected to pair these hardware moves with serious performance gains. The S26 Ultra is tipped to run on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 in a Galaxy-exclusive tuning, featuring higher clock speeds for better single-core performance, smoother multitasking, and improved GPU throughput for gaming and creative workloads. One standout capability is reported support for the APV codec, enabling near-lossless video recording for creators. That means higher quality footage with more flexibility in post, ideal for mobile filmmakers and power users who push their phones as production tools. The display is getting its own leap forward with Samsung's next-generation M14 OLED panel. This panel targets higher peak brightness, improved energy efficiency, and longer screen-on time so everything looks crisper and stays visible outdoors without torpedoing battery life. On top of that, Samsung is introducing Flex Magic Pixel, a customizable privacy enhancement that can help obscure on-screen content from off-axis viewing. Whether you're traveling, commuting, or working in public, having more control over screen privacy is a practical user-first upgrade. Charging speeds are also moving up, with reports pointing to 60W fast charging. While some competitors boast even higher wattages, Samsung's approach emphasizes speed with long-term battery health in mind. The result is faster top-ups without sacrificing longevity, an approach many users prefer over headline-grabbing numbers that can accelerate battery wear. And of course, the S Pen, one of the Ultra's signature features, is getting a thoughtful refresh. Expect a curvier body with a metallic top that better complements the S26 Ultra's refined design. The ergonomics are improved for comfort over long sessions, whether you're note-taking, sketching, or precision editing. Samsung is reportedly sticking with a non-Bluetooth S Pen this cycle, favoring simplicity, reliability, and instant responsiveness over extra radio-based features most people rarely use day-to-day. All told, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra looks like a purposeful evolution with strategic leaps where they matter most. A stabilized folded zoom supply chain for consistent telephoto quality, a refined camera array with top-tier suppliers, a brighter and more efficient M14 OLED display with privacy controls, faster and smarter charging, a more comfortable S Pen, and a Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 platform built for creators, gamers, and power users alike. Add in the design refinements, curvier corners, a cleaner camera block, and a thinner chassis, and the S26 Ultra stands out from its predecessor without abandoning the core Ultra identity. With production ramping in November and mass manufacturing expected by year's end, Samsung appears on track for a strong Q1 launch window.